Okay, so this is West Loop, and this is Yuzu, a super awesome sushi place that
we're really
Adriana has heard about, and we wanted to check it out.
They make like art out of it.
We're gonna order like way too much sushi, more than we can eat, just so we can see the art that they put into it. This is a really cool area though. Like there's all kinds of graffiti over here. Yuzu!
Thank you. Oh my gosh, that's so beautiful.
Very nice. Alright, so this is the Dragon Roll, and that one's the Breaking Bad roll, and I think the Breaking Bad one's a little bit better, in my opinion.
That's my favorite,
Yeah, I like this one. I mean, they're both amazing, but that right there is straight thing.
art.
Yeah, I know, we ruined all their art. Alright, so here's how you eat these things. Grab it, firmly grasp it.
Firmly grasp it.
And you rub it around. Make sure that no part is unsoaked. And you want to really grab it there. Bye-bye. Bye, thank you. Sadly, we have to leave, but that was too good. Like, best sushi I've had ever.
It was so good.
Best
it was
sushi I've ever had.
unreal.
The place is BYOB, so you can bring booze, and I mean they charge you like what, $5?
Yeah, it's $5.
They charge you $5, but you can bring as much booze as
I
you
think
want.
it's like 3 for beer, 5 for wine.
There you go. Can get drunk and eat hella good sushi. The Blackhawks are dead. Oh. Okay, so this is the shortest time that I've spent in Chicago in a while, but it was so much fun. We had a blast.
We did so many things in like such a short time.
We did, and now it's time to go home. So thank you guys.
Fuck.